Section 1, A Soldier Forgotten, the plight of a veteran in need. He served our country, he risked his life. Now at 65, he faces a new battle. This veteran needs a roof over his head. His name is John, and he is one of many forgotten heroes. He lives with the scars of war, both visible and invisible. His disability checks barely cover his bills. His roof is failing, rain pours into his home. John needs our help. Section 2, Scars of Service. The weight of invisible wounds. John carries the weight of his service every day. The physical pain is constant. He suffers from a back injury sustained during his deployment. The mental anguish is even worse. Nightmares and flashbacks haunt him. He battles PTSD, a hidden wound of war. These invisible wounds make it hard to work. He struggles to hold down a job. The pain is too much. The anxiety is crippling. He relies on his disability checks, but it is not enough. Section 3, A System Strained Navigating the Labyrinth of Aid. John needs help. He has reached out for assistance. But navigating the system is a nightmare. The paperwork is overwhelming. The wait times are long. He feels lost and alone. Local resources are limited. There are not enough programs for veterans like John. He needs financial aid to fix his roof. He needs counseling to cope with his PTSD. He needs our support. Section 4, Community as Cavalry, a call to action. We cannot ignore John's plight. We cannot abandon our veterans. They deserve our gratitude. They deserve our help. We must act now. Donate to organizations that help veterans. Volunteer your time at local shelters. Contact your representatives. Demand better support for our veterans. Every little bit helps. Section 5, Honoring our promise. Building a stronger safety net. We make a promise to our veterans. We promise to care for them when they come home. It is time to honor that promise. We must do more. We must build a stronger safety net, increase funding for veteran services, expand mental health care access, provide affordable housing options. Let's ensure that no veteran is left behind. Let's give them the support they deserve. Let's show them that we care.